Hi, I'm Kassi Ashton, and this is The Look, a video series where I take you behind the scenes, literally, we're in my closet, to show you all the looks that I've created. The two looks that you're seeing here are from my new song, Violins, the music video. This is the original outfit that I had in my head for the video, kind of a marching band kick-ass scene where me and the other girls are in the gym dancing. When I was thinking of the inspiration for the song and the music video and the vibe that I wanted something kind of sexy but empowering, kick-ass, kind of Gwen Stefani, No Doubt days, mixing Gwen with the queen herself, Beyonce. I had 4 beautiful backup dancers. This is their band jacket. It's very similar to mine. I wanted the jackets to be very similar to traditional band jackets, just with a little bit more sexy and a little bit more punk. That's why you get the safety pin details, some of the sparklier trim, and then these really great shoulder fringe, lots of chain to move around. The girls wore really great cross embellished hoop earrings because everything works better with large hoop earrings in your ears. And then the girls underneath wore tan spandex fishnets that look really great on camera, and they suck everything in because Lord knows we all need it. And some great patent leather black heeled combat boots by Jeffrey Campbell. This is the main outfit from the music video, my marching band leader outfit. I added all this really great shiny trim. I love those loops. The safety pin effect to make it kind of 90s punk. I wanted it to be, you know, sparkly, of course, because what girl wouldn't want to boss somebody around while wearing sparkles at the same time? Wanted to keep the kind of traditional majorette ropes. We're gonna think they stand for kick and ass. And then in the back, to cover up more of my behind so my grandma didn't get mad, fringe. The best part of the outfit, my favorite part, is the hat. I ordered a real marching band hat. I wanted, again, the same loop detail tie with the jacket really well. This is industrial chain from Home Depot. They looked at me really weird when I asked for chain. I said, don't worry about it. If you have seen my new logo, it's 3 eyeballs. I wanted this to be the top eye from my logo and kind of be all-seeing and really connect to that in a fun little secretive way. And then this is called a plume. Everybody loves feathers. It's an essential part of the hat, and it created drama, and I love it.